Let's talk about building your own gaming PC. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's been dreaming about it for years, this is your invitation to dive in. Building a PC isn't just a hobby, it's a journey into the heart of what makes your games run, your creativity flow, and your tech skills grow. You've seen those glowing setups online and thought, I could never do that, but you absolutely can. Those epic builds you see on YouTube or Instagram, they all started with someone just like you, curious and maybe a little intimidated but ready to learn. It's easier than you think, and the payoff is huge. A machine you built, tailored to your needs, ready to play anything. Imagine the satisfaction of gaming on a rig you assembled with your own hands, knowing every part and every wire. Forget pre-builts with mystery parts. Here, you're in control. You get to choose every component, from the processor to the case fans, and make sure you're getting the best performance for your budget. No more guessing what's inside your machine. The first time you hit that power button and see your creation come alive, unbeatable. It's a rush of excitement and pride knowing you brought this machine to life from a pile of parts. This isn't just about gaming, it's about understanding your tech and making every part your own. You'll learn how each component works, how to troubleshoot, and how to upgrade in the future. It's a skill that pays off for years. We'll break down the jargon, explain every component, and show you how it all fits together. No more confusion about what a GPU does or why RAM matters. We'll make it all clear step by step. By the end, you'll know what to buy, why you're buying it, and how to build a PC that's uniquely yours. You'll be able to shop smart, avoid common pitfalls, and make choices that fit your style and needs. So grab a screwdriver and get ready to join a community that celebrates creativity, power, and freedom. You're not just building a PC, you're joining a worldwide movement of makers, gamers, and tech enthusiasts who love to share, help, and inspire. Today you take your first step into the world of custom PCs. Let's get started and unlock a whole new level of gaming, learning, and fun together. What makes a gaming PC different from a regular desktop? In a word, power. But it's not just about raw speed, it's about the experience, the customization, and the freedom to push your system as far as you want. Gaming PCs are designed to handle the most demanding games and creative tasks, making them a world apart from your average home or office computer. Regular computers are built for everyday tasks, web browsing, emails, maybe some light photo editing. They're reliable, but they're not built to handle the latest games or heavy-duty creative work. Gaming PCs, on the other hand, are engineered for high-speed, high-quality graphics and top-tier performance. They're packed with specialized hardware like powerful graphics cards, fast processors, and advanced cooling systems to keep everything running smoothly, even during intense gaming sessions. Think of it like comparing a family sedan to a Formula One race car. Both will get you from point A to point B, but only one is built for speed, precision, and excitement. When you build your own gaming PC, you get to pick every part, no corners cut, no mystery components. You're in charge of every detail, from the processor to the power supply. Want a lightning-fast graphics card? Tons of storage for your games and files? It's your call. You can prioritize what matters most to you, whether it's speed, storage, or style. Your PC becomes a reflection of your personality, from the case design to the lighting effects. You can make it as flashy or as subtle as you want, turning your setup into a true extension of yourself. But it's not just about looks. It's about performance tailored to your needs. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a creative professional, your PC can be built to match your ambitions. Maybe you want ultra-high frame rates for esports, where every millisecond counts and smooth gameplay can mean the difference between winning and losing. Or maybe you crave stunning visuals and immersive worlds for single-player adventures with every detail cranked up to the max. The choice is yours. The real magic? It's the freedom to upgrade, customize, and use your PC for more than just gaming. Edit videos, stream content, or even design your own games. The possibilities are endless. As new technology comes out, you can swap parts and stay on the cutting edge. Your PC never has to fall behind, and you're never stuck with outdated hardware. A gaming PC is more than just a machine, it's an investment in a hobby that grows with you. You're in control, and your PC evolves as your needs and interests change. The CPU is your PC's brain, handling everything from game logic to background tasks. Intel and AMD are the big names, always pushing each other to make better, faster chips. Look for at least 6 cores for modern gaming. More cores mean better multitasking. Clock speed matters, but newer architecture can outperform older, faster chips. Don't just chase numbers, check reviews and benchmarks. You don't need the most expensive CPU. A solid mid-range Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 is perfect for most gamers. Save some budget for your graphics card, that's where gaming performance really shines. The CPU is your foundation, so pick one that matches your ambitions. Next up, the real gaming powerhouse. Let's talk GPUs. The GPU is the heart of your gaming PC, turning data into stunning visuals. For gaming, nothing matters more. Better GPU, better graphics, higher frame rates. NVIDIA and AMD dominate the market. Both offer great options at every price. Higher model numbers and more VRAM mean better performance, especially at higher resolutions. Modern GPUs support ray tracing for lifelike lighting and upscaling tech like DLSS or FSR for smoother gameplay. This is where you should invest most of your budget. A mid-range card is great for 1080p or 1440p. High-end cards unlock 4K and Ultra settings. Don't skimp here. A strong GPU makes all the difference. Choose the best you can afford for a future-proof build. The GPU is what separates good from great. Make it count. Now, let's talk about the parts that keep your PC running smoothly. These are the components that often don't get the spotlight, but without them, even the most powerful processor or graphics card would be useless. They're the backbone of your system, quietly working behind the scenes to ensure everything functions as it should. RAM is your PC's short-term memory. Think of it as the workspace where your computer juggles all its active tasks. For most gamers, 16 GB is the sweet spot, giving you enough headroom for modern titles and multitasking. If you're someone who loves to stream, edit videos, or run lots of programs at once, 32 GB is a smart upgrade. More RAM means smoother performance when you're pushing your system to the limit. Storage comes in two main flavors, HDDs and SSDs. Hard drives are affordable and offer lots of space, but they're much slower. SSDs, on the other hand, are lightning fast and make your system feel snappy and responsive. For the best experience, get a 1TB NVMe SSD. It's not just about speed. Having enough space for your games, files, and software is crucial. NVMe drives are compact, energy efficient, and dramatically cut down on load times. The power supply unit, or PSU, is absolutely critical. Don't cheap out here. It's responsible for delivering stable power to every part of your PC, and a poor quality PSU can cause crashes or even damage your components. Always choose a reputable brand with at least 80+ bronze efficiency. This ensures your PSU runs cooler, wastes less energy, and lasts longer. Make sure it has enough wattage for your current parts and any future upgrades you might want. It's better to have a little extra power than not enough. The case isn't just a box, it's your PC's armor. It protects your components from dust, bumps, and static, and it's designed to keep everything cool and organized. Good airflow is essential. Look for mesh panels, plenty of fan mounts, and space for cable management. A well-ventilated case keeps your system running at peak performance and extends the life of your hardware. Pick a case you like, but always double-check that it fits your parts, especially the graphics card, which can be surprisingly large. Planning ahead saves you headaches later. These unsung heroes make your build reliable, efficient, and future-proof. Don't overlook them. They're just as important as the flashy parts. With the right supporting cast, your PC will run like a dream, handling everything from gaming marathons to creative projects with ease. Next, let's see what a top-tier build looks like. Meet the beast. Ready to dream big? Meet the beast, a no-compromise top-tier gaming PC. Start with a flagship CPU like Intel's Core i9 or AMD's Ryzen 9, cooled by a 360mm liquid cooler. The heart, NVIDIA's RTX 5090, a GPU built for 4K gaming and ray tracing at max settings. Pair it with 64 GB of fast DDR5 RAM for future-proofing and creative work. Storage, a 4TB Gen 5 NVMe SSD for instant boots and lightning-fast load times. House it all in a premium, high airflow case with a 1200W Platinum PSU for clean, stable power. This build is for those who want the best, today and tomorrow. It's a machine that devours games and handles any workload. The beast is the ultimate enthusiast dream, but you don't need to break the bank to build something great. Enter the budget beast. Amazing gaming without the huge price tag. Choose a value-packed CPU like AMD's Ryzen 5 8600G or Intel's Core i5 14400F. The Ryzen's integrated graphics let you start gaming even before adding a dedicated GPU. For the GPU, go with an NVIDIA RTX 4060 or AMD RX 7600 XT, perfect for 1080p and even 1440p gaming. 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD give you speed and space. Use the stock CPU cooler to save cash. Put it all in a budget-friendly case with good airflow and a reliable 650W bronze PSU. The budget beast proves smart choices beat big budgets. You get a custom powerful PC for less than a new console. Now let's build it. Time to build. Set up a clean, well-lit workspace and grab a Phillips screwdriver. Ground yourself to avoid static. Touch a metal part of your plugged-in but off case or use an anti-static strap. Start with the motherboard. Install the CPU, then RAM, then mount it in the case. Next, add the graphics card and power supply. Cable management matters. Route cables neatly for better airflow and a cleaner look. Use zip ties or Velcro straps to group cables. Connect the main power cables, storage drives, and case fans. The trickiest part? The tiny front panel connectors for power and LEDs. Check your motherboard manual for guidance. Double-check every connection before closing up the case. Take your time. Building is part of the fun. When you're done, you'll have a PC you built yourself. That first power-on moment, pure magic. Let's boot it up. The big moment, plug in your monitor, keyboard, and power, then press the button. Fans spin, lights glow, and your PC comes alive. Enter the BIOS, usually delete or F2, to check that your CPU, RAM, and storage are detected. Enable XMP Expo for full RAM speed. Install Windows from a bootable USB, then download your drivers, especially for your GPU. Now test your rig run benchmarks and fire up your favorite games. Monitor temperatures to make sure cooling is working. Enjoy ultra settings, smooth frame rates, and fast load times. You've built more than a PC, you've gained skills and confidence. Upgrades and troubleshooting are now in your hands. Welcome to the PC Master Race. Enjoy your custom gaming experience. Now go play!